and it comes with its own adapter. So this is like a 0.4 watt adapter, 0.4 amp adapter, so you don't want to use it for your iPhone or for your smartphone because it won't charge fast enough. So, but it's really good for this machine because it doesn't use very much power. So normally I just use my regular charger, or I plug it into my computer, or I can also plug it into my PS4. So just plug it in wherever you can, as long as it gets power. So as soon as it's on, you have the options on here. So obviously the power. So you also have the volume control. So you can increase, decrease. You can also set a timer over here. I usually just leave it on overnight, or if I'm working on something or reading, I just leave it on and then turn it off when I'm done. But you have the option if you want to set a timer so it's not on all night or something. But this speaker is very loud. I'm just gonna put it up all the way. I think it's in the white noise right now, so let me go ahead and put it up all the way. So when it does that, so when it does the little dinging noise, that means that's the max volume. So I'm just gonna lower it so you can actually hear me. But there's a lot of options. I was kind of surprised. So there's nature sounds if you click on the musical button. Birds. I think this is like a waterfall. Or no, this might be traffic. Water. This kind of sounds like a heart. Just relaxing music. Crickets, I believe. This might be rain. Yes, and thunder. So let's move on to the next one. This is like some sort of fan sound. And there's several types in case you need some sort of sound to fall asleep. So that was the end of it, but there's a lot of options. So this is a white sound machine, so obviously you want to listen to the white sound. There's also a lot of options. So that was the end of it. Okay, so once you're done, you can turn it off. Just like that. There's also like a headphone port in case you want to listen to the sounds while you sleep with headphones on or something. The build quality is actually really nice. It feels like real wood, so it could be, but honestly, I have no idea. It could be plastic too. But it's really well made. I can't even tell if it's real wood or not. As you can see, everything is just well built. You also have your charger port, or your power port. It's not charger port. You can like wind it around so that it doesn't become like a tangled mess. So you can see, it's very well built, and I've been using it for several days, I think like a week now. And I've been liking it a lot. It doesn't weigh very much. It looks amazing wherever you put it because it's like a natural look to it.
This is the Reacher R2 sound machine in Nightlight. It has 31 different sounds and 8 different color options. The sounds include 7 kinds of noise, from white to brown and pink noise, 7 different fan sounds, and 17 relaxing natural sounds. There are 8 color options with a 0 to 100 dimmable nightlight and 3 modes, which include color stay, color changing, or breathing. It's very easy to use, and you can pick and choose any color and sound combination you need. You can also just have the light on, just the sound, or both light and sound. Your last settings will be saved. The nightlight option provides a perfect soothing glow to sleep or to help you see your way in your room at night. And the sound machine is perfect to drown out disruptive sounds at night like snoring or outside traffic, or it can even be great during the day to help provide a relaxing and peaceful sound while working. This machine also includes a headphone jack, which allows for personal use in public. There's no app needed for it. This is a great option for a sound machine with nightlight.